Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. Today we're revealing the January Mrs. Grossman Sticker Club. This is Emilee's Paper Caper, where you'll find inspiration to scrap your stash. Be sure to hit that subscribe button now and the bell icon so you won't miss any ideas. Let's take a look at the vintage sticker in the gold envelope. It's a beautiful snowflake. I'll probably never use the vintage stickers, they just seem like they should be saved. But the new stickers I will use. There's snowflakes and hearts. With Valentine's Day coming up, these shooting hearts and stars are perfect. I love the sloths and the lemurs. Mini teddies in blue and gold. Never have enough rainbows. Mini hearts in pastel. I'm going to be making some Valentine's Day cards with these stickers. Love the pink teddy bears. Some planner stickers. Oh, I can never have enough unicorns. Narwhals. I have never seen such beautiful narwhals. Rose gold alpha set. That's going to come in handy. And some planner stickers. My favorite scrapbook layouts to do are birthdays, and I like to use lots of balloons. Here's some close-ups of each of the stickers this month. Which sticker was your favorite? Leave me a note down in the comments and let me know. Until next time, keep on scrapping, everybody.